Hey y'all, how's everybody doing? I hope everybody's doing alright. So guys, I am currently in the hospital, but you know what? I ain't gonna stop just because of that. And I'll talk more about it after we do these spoilers. I know a lot of people don't like to stick around for, the personal stuff. So guys, we are looking at strictly the bags. No spoilers, we're just doing all the bag reveals. I'm so used to doing this video together every month, and I just want a video where somebody could come and look at just the bags. If they don't want to find out the spoilers and they want to see the bags, this is the video to come to. It's the August Ipsy bags, all three of them. So guys, if you're excited about this video, go ahead and hit your thumbs up button. Also hit your subscribe button and make sure your bell's on. That way you're notified and you don't miss out on no spoilers. And before we get started, if you're new here, hi, I'm Mandy. I do a lot of makeup related videos. Now sometimes I'll go off track and do something else I'm interested in, but I promise not to disappoint you all the time. Guys, comments are back on. I just don't feel right doing videos without doing these comments. It was really weird to me. So guys, let's go ahead and read that first comment from my last video, which was telling about the new Ipsy Ultra Plus Glam Bag coming in August. Well, thank you so much, Tabitha Riley. Tabitha says, yay, I'm first. Love you, girl. Be safe, walk in love, and pray for all. Tabitha, honey, I couldn't have said it better myself. And I couldn't appreciate that comment more. It means so much to me. And honey, I really appreciate you having your bell on and coming and watching the video. I love you, girl. And guys, if you yourself would like to get a shout out, be sure to leave a comment under this video. You're going to have 1 out of 2 chances of getting it. You could either set your bell and try to be first at it, or you could be one of the comments to pick. You never know, I might pick you. Now stay tuned till the end when I read the comment that I did pick. So guys, I'm going to put up a 5-second timer. If you're not yet subscribed to this channel, go ahead and do so. During that time, you'll see a little red heart. It's going to turn a shade of blue for about a half a second, so don't blink. But it's also going to give you good luck for the rest of 2020, and who don't need that right now? So guys, let's go ahead and do that. Well, welcome to the family, guys. Now let's go ahead and dive into this madness. Now again, these are all the bags for the August Ipsy subscription. This is the standard, the plus, and also the ultimate. And as you know, the video I just done was about the new upgrade to Ipsy Plus. It is actually called ipsyglambagplusultra personalization. So I'm real excited to see people start getting it and to see what they think of it and see if it's any better. So if you want to find out about that bag, I'll link the video below. Go check it out. That way you get more info about it if you haven't heard about it yet. So guys, let's go ahead and get the first one up. So this is the standard bag, of course, very beautiful. I love the holographic look. I think they've done really good with it. This is like a silver pearl kind of, well, I guess it's going to be like a holographic theme this month, which is really neat. Now, next up is this new Glam Bag Plus bag. Now, again, this is called Glam Bag Plus Ultra. So this bag is going to be different than any other bag starting in August. It is going to have a drawstring. It says it's a large drawstring bag, so I'm quite eager to see exactly what this bag looks like. And then last but certainly not least is the ultimate bag, and this is of course beautiful. I love the gold holographic look. Y'all, I'm a sucker for gold. But I do love the drawstring bag. For the plus, I just love drawstring bags. That's my thing, you just kind of throw them on your shoulder and go. Now, y'all, I got some important dates for Ipsy stuff. So you might want to mark this down in your calendar. So the first date you might want to mark down in your calendar is Ipsy Flash. Now that opens July 23rd to July 24th. And I'll explain everything about Flash here in a few minutes, because I don't believe I've ever talked about Flash. Now, for standard and ultimate choice, that opens up July 23rd through July 24th. Now, the add-ons for the standard and ultimate will be open August the 2nd to August the 3rd. So make sure you mark that down. Now, if you get Plus or the new Ultra Plus, choice and add-ons will be open August the 1st through August the 3rd. Now, for those of you who do not know what Flash is, for those of you who get the standard and ultimate bag, usually it's around the 20th to the 25th when you can get these Flash items, and you can get it right after you make your choice. For anybody subscribed to the Plus bag, you can go directly to the Flash sale without having to choose first. Choice starts from the 1st to the 3rd. So it's Flash sales, and they sell bundles. They sell skincare, makeup, beauty tools. Guys, there's so much stuff. You could get bundles full-sized items, sample-sized items. Bundles usually are priced at $5 or $16 or $20. These also ship free with your bags. And again, if you get standard and ultimate, you could do that around the 20th to the 25th, right after choice. Anybody subscribed to Plus, remember, you could go straight to the flash sale before you make your choice. And it's going to be from the 1st to the 3rd. So guys, let me know what you think about these bags down in the comment section. And are you excited to receive this new Plus Ultra bag? I think that is just a really neat upgrade that they done. Again, I'll link the video below if you want more info on that. And guys, as soon as they reveal anything else, I'll keep you guys updated. You know I'm going to keep you in the loop. And as always, Ipsy is linked below if you want to go check them out. Now guys, let's read that comment that I picked in my last video. Well, thank you so much, Cindy. Is it Koalas? I hope I said that right. Anyway, Cindy, I probably butchered that, and I do apologize. I truly do. Anyway, Cindy says, complex culture is the brush. Cindy, you know you were right about that, and I don't know why that didn't click in my head, because I should have known that brand, because I do have a couple of their brushes. I don't know what I was thinking. So hopefully I'll find out what all these items are. I really appreciate you telling me what brand that brush is, but I'm going to try to do as much digging as I can, because like I said, I'm in the hospital. I can't do... There ain't really nothing much to do but dig around on the internet. So I'm going to try to find out what I can about all these items. And Cindy, thank you so much for watching the video, honey. I love you, girl. And remember, guys, you got to leave that comment if you want a shout out. And guys, double check. Please make sure you're still subscribed to my channel. You know how YouTube likes to take my subscribers and tell me I don't have any? Yeah, they do it all the time. But if you would check on that for me, and if you're not, why the hell not? I mean, it's 100% free, and it's a gift from me to you, and it's rude not to accept yes, so you gotta take it. So go on down there and hit that button. Then I'm gonna need y'all to rate the video, but you're only gonna have one option. You can only hit the thumbs up button, because my thumbs down button quit working a long time ago, and YouTube won't fix it. There's one more tiny thing before you guys head out. Damn YouTube. If you would, make sure your notification bell is set to on, that way you don't miss another upload of mine. You'll catch all these spoilers. And guys, I also do a lot of other videos other than these spoilers, so if you ever want to put a face to the voice, go check those out. So again, guys, I am admitted into the back into the hospital. I mean, the pain was so bad today that I couldn't take it. So I just went ahead and come on in. I did get like 2 days worth of groceries for the boys at the house. Hopefully this heart specialist and whatever test and stuff that they're going to run, hopefully they could get this done within 2 days. If not, I can't leave them there longer than a couple of days. So I'll just have to leave and try to set these appointments up myself and try to figure out how to get mine back on insurance. I just don't know, guys. I'm telling you, it was so bad today. And I want to thank Mariah. I also want to thank Steve. Steve has helped me out so much. And also Anna. I want to thank all three of them for donating to my PayPal. I mean, you have no idea what that means to me and how much it helps. And again, guys, I don't know what's going on with my body, and I just wish I had more info to tell you, and hopefully, again, we'll get all these tests or whatever they're wanting to do performed, and I'll know more, and I'll do an update. I promise as soon as I find out something, I will let you guys know what is going on. I hope it's nothing major, but y'all, it can't be good when all your organs are messing up at one time. I just don't understand that. And again, I have left like my PayPal card and stuff like that with the boys. If you are able and want to help out my family and you want to donate, my PayPal is listed below. And I just know my boys would be so grateful to get anything, you know, just to keep them going. I'm also trying to get a couple bills caught up. I'm just behind on everything, y'all. Y'all, it ain't no lie. It's so hard being a single mom. But I know people could do it. I know a lot of people a lot of single moms has accomplished so much more than I have. And I mean, I look up to them so much. I mean, these single moms that are working a couple of jobs at one time and just making sure every, ends are met. God, they inspire me so much. And guys, I really appreciate everything. Your love, your support, y'all subscribing and watching my videos. I couldn't be more grateful to have y'all. I love y'all so much, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye, guys.